Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hot Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Midnight Muses box for October. Let's check it out. Oops. It came in this mailer. Okay, there we go. Okay. Midnight Muses, as the veil thins. We'll come back to this. I love these. I'm going to be I don't want to tear it. There we go. Oh, I just got this deck. This is the Halloween Oracle. Apple, risk and reward. Ooh la la. Good message. Salt. Black salt. Love the orange. Oh, so pretty. Okay. As the veil thins candle. Beeswax and herbs on it. And then I've got some little black candles, which I'm really glad because I think I used my last little black candle this last new moon that my friend Spirit Moon sent to me. Heaven. These smell so good. Oh. I have gotten something that reminds me of this, but I can't remember what it is. Let me think. It'll come to me. Oh, here's a pretty little flower. Oh, here's another one. Okay. Here's these little vials. I still got to get a little shelf for these vials, but frankly I'm going to have to get a little shelf for my herbs too. Alright. Casting salt. Incense blend. Black salts. Ooh, and it's got lavender buds. Looks like we got some tea here. What does this say? Java? Herbal Java organic tea. Roasted dandelion root, chicory, crystal malt, chocolate barley malt. Interesting. Ooh, what are you? Watch, it's gonna be an obsidian ball. Scrying. Oh boy, let's see. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's like a little tiny baby crystal ball. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so little. Ah. Pardon me. I'm not bored. I'm just tired. I've been having really, really, really vivid, like movie style dreams, and it's just like, really like enthralling, but not very restful. Salem Ritual Oil. Let me smell this. Not at all what I thought it would smell like. Oops, sorry everybody. Okay, let's look at this. Midnight Muses as the Veil Thins, October 2019. October is here! The earth has given all she can, and we have gracefully plucked the fruits and lovingly given thanks to her for her hard work and sacrifice during Maybon last month. I'm filming, bud. Now the season of the witch is upon us. Samhain ushers in shadow season with a scent of bonfires, carved pumpkins, and decaying leaves. The raven flies low on chilled autumn winds, stirring the dark goddess from her slumber. Once again the barren earth gives way to the reign of the crone. Samhain is a time when we can explore the mysteries during the darkest of nights, light a flame to summon our ancestors, and to part the veil between the worlds. The power to divine is at its strongest during shadow season, and one way to do this is through scrying. Scrying is the art of looking into a reflective surface such as glass, water, a mirror, or a crystal to gain mystical insight. Crystal and reflective balls have been used for scrying for thousands of years. The images seen are from deep within one's subconscious mind, and the reflective ball is the door through which these subconscious thoughts can be accessed. To completely cleanse your scrying ball of any previous energy you may wish to smudge, simply light a sage smudge bundle. Oh, there has been so much smudging in this house in the last couple days. But I have no problems doing more of it. I like smudging. Or should I say using sacred smoke to cleanse. Simply light a sage smudge bundle, some loose incense or mugwort incense stick, and pass the ball through the smoke several times. Charge your sphere by placing it in the light of the moon. Do not place it in strong or direct sunlight. Store in a dark cloth or a bag. For this ritual, you may start with a cleansing ritual bath, gather everything you will need, and then light a mugwort incense stick. Mugwort is oh, this is mugwort incense? Cool. I smell that. Nice. I love it. Mugwort is sacred to Hecate. That's what I'm gathering her name is actually pronounced. Artemis and Diana. When burnt, it is used for protection and to aid with divination tools to help your mind to any messages coming in. Sprinkle a small amount of black salts in the glass vial at the four corners of your home to absorb toxic energies. It must then be swept up and discarded away from your property afterwards in order to dispose of the absorbed energies. The recipe for these salts is listed on the art print. I have already added lavender, bay, sage, black peppercorn, and chicory along with intent to the salts so they are ready to use. Cast a circle around you clockwise using the casting salts in the glass vial. Visualize a protective blue-white light rising from the ground and enclosing you in its protective sphere. Feel this shield as a comforting dome that filters out any low or bad energy. Incense blend. This mixture contains white sage, mugwort, and bay. Burning will cleanse or sprinkle by doors and windows to keep unwanted people and spirits out of your home. Ground and center. Anoint yourself with the Salem oil. It contains ginger, ginger root, and amber essential oil, sweet almond, and vitamin E. Then remove the scroll and rub a few drops of oil between your palms and dress your candle by gently rubbing the candle from the middle out to the ends. That's this one. Visualizing your energy connecting with the energy of the candle. Wait. Yes, sorry. Light your candle in a heat-proof holder. You may wish to read the scroll out loud. Place the raw carnelian. That's exactly what it is. Raw carnelian. That's what I thought. By your candle, this gemstone was once used in Egypt to protect both the living and the dead. Carnelian helps in shedding and may be used to ward against enchantments and mind-reading psychic attacks. Carnelian cleanses and revitalizes auras and help revitalize the energy of sacred sites. This stone is said to promote peace and harmony. Place the sigil art print on your altar or on a table in front of you. Then sit at the black scrying sphere on a stand in the middle of the sigil. Position the tea lights in a circle around the artwork facing the four corners. Light the tea lights. The sigil is used to aid in divination and serves as the focal point to place a sphere and candles. To use the scrying sphere, the following is only a suggestion or starting point from which you may find a way that works best for you. And then you can complete the ritual. This is the tea she suggests, you know. Very nice. La 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 la. She didn't really. Oh, Pentacle Power Pendant. To charge your pendant, and it goes through that. We know how to do that. Okay. Intuitively drawn card. Search for the Halloween Oracle, which I just got, and the black salt art print. Very cool. This was a very cool box. Okay. If you've been watching this channel, and I hope that you have, and if you haven't, watch me. It's so fun. You know that I have been being beat over the freaking head by Spirit to scry. And you know, some of it's been jarring. I'm actually in a really good mood today, and I'm in a safe space, and I had wonderful, healthy dreams, so I feel like everything's going to be okay. And let me just say, this is so cute. How could it ever be frightening? I don't want to tempt you. Don't frighten me. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. You're so cute. And maybe this is like a good segue to build up to, you know, more. This is so precious. I love it. It's so cute. My son's gonna flip when he sees my little crystal ball. And so I almost feel like Spirit has a sense of humor. And why wouldn't it? It made our sense of humors. Anyway, I digress. Beautiful box. Love this. Love the Oracle. Love, I mean, basically everything in here I'm going to use. Every single box that I've gotten, it's just going to build on to this work that I've committed myself to doing for the next 6 months, which is ancestor work. And it's all going to be like used for my purposes. You know, of course, it's always a disclaimer. You don't have to have any of this stuff to do it. I want this stuff, and I very much like it. So I'm going to use it. But, I mean, lots of people get their stuff from everywhere. Friends, yard sales. I get stuff from yard sales. Dollar stores, everywhere, getting your stuff, and it works just as good because the energy is there. It wants us to tap into it. We just have to try. And I'm getting off topic. I'm really pleased. I'm super happy. It's a very cool box. Can't wait to get my Sugar Muses Deluxe Muse box. And I love you guys so much. Stick around, watch some stuff on my channel, and have a wonderful day.